Right. Okay. Started attacking the dog. Started attacking the dog. So tomorrow's my salary money, yeah? Tomorrow I'll be getting my salary. So that's what they do. That's how they first they do it. Dog just recovered. Now they attack the dog. This is a satellite now. That shit thing came earlier. Still after vomiting and everything. Hey, what do you give her? I told you don't give her anything.
Didn't give any food.
Huh?
Well,
He was okay what a few days.
I didn't give.
That was that he had?
I
Huh?
don't know, the afternoon one.
What's
I
that
didn't
here?
give any food. No food for her, only for Daisy.
What's that?
Not the, only to what cake.
What's this?
That was Jamuna. When Jamuna came from work, she was okay. Don't know what happened.
What's that? She was okay in your...
Don't step now after you go into the house. All,
She was okay. Why all this suddenly?
all your chicken rice there.
No, she was okay in it.
Chicken rice. Therefore, don't stop the sheet, you see.
Right. So we're going for a dog. Huh? Okay. This is a document how they go for a dog.
Step like you all.
I just know that I'm going to get my salary tomorrow. So they went for the dog. This is how the vandalized the car. They've been doing all this before. Getting this local gang stalking to do it. Alright. Drainers off. Come open the tap and all that they'll do. Whack on electricity and all that. Yeah, I'm not lying. This fucking thing is still there. And it's moved up to here. Right. This is how direct entry weapon and all the devices they use. Right. Just above. Okay. It's here today. It's 29 September. It's going to be 10 o'clock at night. Right. It's here. It's not the military technology they use. Satellite drones. That looks like drones. Right. This is a proof how this technology is used.